for 2 years now. Yeah, right before our third child was born.
Lots of families here, and we've got 3 kids. It's a good fit. So when we first moved into the house, we really needed to clean it up. It definitely needed a facelift, really all the way around the house.
The Duesings gutted and remodeled the kitchen in their home, but the project took way longer than expected and isn't quite finished.
Life in general with 3 children is somewhat chaotic. On a good day, I might get an hour to work on something, and it might be 1 day a week, which is kind of why this whole thing has taken so long. How tall is that?
One project the family placed on the back burner was remodeling their bathrooms.
The bathrooms are probably priority number 45, 46, and 47 on my list of to-dos.
And that's where we come in, calling in Mansfield Plumbing to help give the Duesings some bathroom Botox, a fresh new look that won't break the bank and that fixes their #1 frustration as parents.
It's a tough time right now for them. They've got old toilets that are, some of them are inefficient, one of them doesn't flush all the way, and they both plug up.
Either you're cleaning it, you're plunging it, or you're cleaning around it.
And they both share the cleaning duties, so they're like, hey, we need something that's gonna make this easier for us.
Enter the Vanquish toilet, a revolutionary new design starting with side-mounted seat hinges that make it easy to clean.
That flat deck surface on the back, when the tinkle does turn to sprinkle, you can wipe it off real easily. Pure clean glaze, so it rinses well, and then that real powerful flush mechanism that we have. I'm really excited that this is gonna be a great solution. I think it's gonna solve a lot of their issues.
A plumber gets to work removing the old toilets while stylist Lindsay Lara works with the family on design ideas for both the kids' bathroom upstairs and the guest bath downstairs.
Tell me a little bit what you're thinking for the bathrooms.
It seems small, but one of the big things is that our kids are washing their hands a lot, and the towel rack is right above the toilet, so the kids just yank the towel down, falls in the toilet, so that's a big problem. So just having a kid-friendly bath, but still having it look nice.
With her mission set, Lindsay and her team get to work renovating the bathrooms. Meanwhile, our plumber has finished installing the Vanquish toilet in the upstairs bathroom.
Looks good.
Yeah, #1, you'll see it's an elongated bowl and high height, so it's a very comfortable seat to be in. We talked about it early on, is this no hinge seats, and so we've taken the seat hinges off the top of this and we've moved them off to the side, which gives you a nice clean deck so that you can wipe that off.
Easy clean, that's amazing. I didn't think when I heard side hinges, I didn't really understand until I saw it. How cool it is to just do one wipe and it's clean. Like, you know, you're usually wiping all around into the crevices and it takes forever and you don't really feel like you get it clean. But with this, it really is really easy.
I want you to watch this flush. So it's a very simple lever on the side. You get a full flush. It looks like you got a lot more water going through than you really do, so it's still the 1.6 gallons. So all of that toilet paper that you talked about gets pushed through.
And with a soft close feature, that means no more slamming the lid.
That toilet is really solving like every single one of the problems that we have as parents with kids who can't flush and are messy.
And with that pure clean glaze, it just, the action of the water takes away all the debris. So clean toilets, easy to clean when it does get a little dirty, and easy to maintain going forward.
As the renovation continues, the plumber puts in a brand new Mansfield pedestal sink for the downstairs bathroom and finishes up installing the Vanquish toilet.
I think the kids are gonna love the new toilet. They don't have to try so hard to flush. They won't get yelled at if they didn't flush it all the way.
And finally, it's time for the big reveal upstairs.
All right, are you guys ready to see the bathroom?
Yes.
All right,
Yes. Check it out. Check it out.
Wow. Oh, it's so pretty. New faucets. How many towel racks?
So what do you guys think?
We love it.
You do?
Yes,
Is it
it's
different?
beautiful.
It's clean, crisp, right? Goes with the rest of your house. It'll be easy.
gorgeous.
Yeah.
It's great.
It looks
I'm
like a
so
whole
glad.
new bathroom.
It's a nice bright space now, and it's nice and fresh.
Functional too.
And then the guest bathroom is revealed.
Wow.
Oh, look at that.
Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that mirror.
Ah,
Oh,
perfect.
no more towels falling in the toilet. It was surprising how different it looks just by changing out light fixtures. The vanity looks totally different now with the different knobs and the cute little faucets. Even though it's the same with the paint and the light fixtures and all of those cool elements combined, it looks like a totally new bathroom even though we didn't gut it. They're so excited. They're gonna love it. And I'm gonna love not having to pick up after them, and they're gonna love not getting yelled at.
Mansfield, thank you very much for unclogging our lives.
For more information on the Vanquish toilet or any other of their bathroom products, visit mansfieldplumbing.com or go to designingspaces.tv.
You can visit these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.